Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The importance of cleanliness. A moral story. Samantha and Agnes were best friends. As they were studying in college far away from home, they stayed together. Both the girls were very lazy. Neither of them cleaned the house, and they always blamed the other. They never washed the dirty dishes or mopped the floor. Their house was always in a mess. All this clutter attracted many rats, mosquitoes, and insects into the house, but even that did not encourage them to clean. One day at college, Samantha and Agnes both complained of stomach pains and dizziness. Their friend immediately understood the problem. Pamela took them to their house and called the doctor. The doctor was shocked by the condition of the house. "How could you live in a house this dirty? You must keep your surroundings clean to have a healthy life." From then on, Samantha and Agnes always kept their house clean.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.